A Touch of Texas welcomes guests to the Frisco Public Library.
Blackland Prairie is the theme. Frisco sits squarely in the center. So if you live in Frisco, you are living on the Blackland Prairie.
A nod to the Blackland Prairie can be seen on both the inside and outside of the library.
The outside of the building has that box that is kind of an homage to early settler cabins and homes with linear planks. We also have the entrances aligned in a dog trot, which is also early vernacular for the area in housing or in buildings.
Designers interpreted the dog trot style with the two entrances meeting in the middle, inviting guests into the main part of the library. Once inside, colors will guide you.
You'll notice the carpet looks like it's gray until you look a ways, and then you think, oh, wait a minute, it's growing in colors and receding and growing in colors and receding.
The colors represent seasons as well as water, an important part of the Blackland Prairie.
You might see behind me a pond that celebrates the small shallow ponds that you find all over the prairie.
The taller gathering place will take you under the water of the pond with the air bubble lights and fish swimming on the ceiling.
The Storytime room has been themed for the big prairie sky because that's a major feature of being on the prairie.
And the ridge wall in the children's area is themed after the East Texas piney woods with wood grains and green cubbies, but that will also help the acoustic control in the large space. There is also a translucent material on the upper windows of the west side of the building. It's called cow wall.
That's there because of it helps with glare, it helps with heat and AC. There's a fun spot you can stand on the terrace and look down the cow wall, and it looks like the rippling of water on a pond.
Plus, the lights in the building are smart, so to speak.
The whole building is LED. In addition, the lighting closest to the windows is daylight harvesting. They are responsive to the environmental light, and that makes this building very well lit. It's even lighting, it's the perfect lighting for reading.
And there are touches outside that are educational as well.
The landscape is devoted to the Blackland Prairie. So there's 31 native prairie Texas plants that are featured. They are all plants that grow in your yard. When the spring comes, we will start having tours and handouts so that you can go through the plants, find out what they are, find out a little bit more about them, and then make some choices as to whether there's something you'd like to feature in your yard.
Guests can go on a journey and discover hints of the Blackland Prairie at the new Frisco Public Library.